What do you see, Brooks? You see tractors?
John Deere's and an Alice. Ford. Tell your dad the redwoods. Look for the redwoods. Over there. There's an Oliver.
Hey guys, come along for the Nittany Antique Machinery tractor show with us. I mean, through 1-year-old's eyes, what could be better? Hi Clara. There she goes to take a ride with 3 generations, all on their family's steam engine. It truly turned a lot of heads. Everyone just loved. I mean, who doesn't love seeing cute kids, right? We have been coming to Penn's Cave for my entire life. It is something that I always look forward to, even though I'm not a big fan of tractors, but now seeing it through these kiddos' eyes, there is just nothing greater. Our family truly is just the best blessing, and we just make the best of memories. The weather could not have been any more perfect. Also, take a look, Mariah's hands are full with all of the goodies purchased at the market. And Clint's ice cream sundae, come on, doesn't get better than this. I could have lived this weekend over 10 times. Sure, it's great for the guys to enjoy the steam engine, the sawmill, the grist mill, but really, the good food and these family memories, we can't trade this for the world. Just take a look at those cute boys. Thanks so much for watching, and I look forward to sharing more family memories with you soon.